Hey guys, I'm watching Pilot here, and I'm going to test out my tornado siren from Android. It's not that loud, but whatever, at least I'm trying. Alright. I'm going to do this before the battery dies. Yes, on the camera. It's gray outside. Might be a little bad for test, but whatever. So let's do this like that, and then 3, 2, 1, let's test. Testing the tornado siren. My tornado siren is going off. It's windy outside. Testing my tornado siren. As you can tell, you can hear some of it. Two more times. Alright. One more time. This is the last time. Alright, done.